So today we are making salad from mangoes. Chickpea, quinoa, lots of crunchy vegetables in a sweet and sour dressing makes this salad perfect for summers. This salad is full of proteins which will keep us full for long and provide nutrition at the same time. So let's make this salad with some new tips and tricks. We start by roasting the washed quinoa in a pan. Here we are taking white and red quinoa in this recipe. Dry roasting the quinoa makes it crunchy and perfect for salads. Then we add 2 cups of vegetable stock to the quinoa, or you can use plain water with a bouillon cube. 1 peel of lemon for the tangy flavor, and cook for 15 minutes on medium heat till all the liquid evaporates. Remove the lemon peel and discard. Refrigerate the quinoa to cool while you make the dressing. To make the dressing, we take a pan and heat the balsamic vinegar on low heat. Then we add sugar and allow both of them to caramelize. This thickens the vinegar and the dressing becomes easy to coat the salad. In case you are liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. This is an additional step, but skip the process if you wish to. Once the vinegar thickens, remove from heat and remove it in a container. In a small screw-top jar, we take chopped garlic, mustard, crushed black pepper, salt to taste, the prepared balsamic reduction, olive oil, and screw the top and shake it well. This is a very versatile dressing and can be used in so many salads. To make the salad, we take a large sweet mango and cut it into small cubes. Boiled chickpeas, which can be fresh or tinned. Chopped tomatoes, chopped cucumber, chopped onion, the boiled and cooled quinoa, and mix them together. Then we add 1/3 of the dressing and mix it well to combine. Next, we serve the salad over a bed of mixed salad leaves, which will provide extra crunch. Top it with some fresh mint if you wish to. So here you have a salad which is perfect for summers. The sweetness of mangoes and the crunch of the vegetables makes this salad perfect lunch option for busy weekdays. Make these ahead of time on busy weekdays or treat your friends over dinner. This salad is healthy, protein-rich and seriously delicious. For many variations of this recipe, do hop over to healthynidhi.com. I'm sure you will love it. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.